Alright, in this video I'll show you something which I have used almost daily basis, and this is a simple few rudimentary bash script which will stitch together to provide a certain output. In this case it is to 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 get the 10 most recent headline of Hackernews. This is not my idea. The inspiration is drawn out of here. It is on GitHub, and this is written by Andrew Lee. Okay, so I pull these things up and tweaked it according to my need. Okay, this is a fantastic page. It is showing stuff on the terminal. Okay, I have added some flair to it and to make things suitable for my consumption, although the originality is there. So the actual credit should go to the Andrew who originally wrote it. Okay, so I modified it according to my taste. It might be useful to you. Okay, okay, here we go. uh, there are basically 4 scripts. Okay, there are 4 scripts, and you can see there are 4 scripts. On the rightmost side, that is the main script. Okay, which basically bring out the fetch the headline from Hacker News, and other 3 on the left basically manipulate the stuff the way I wanted and the way I wanted to get it for my consumption. Clear? Okay, so let's start with the first one, the actual script, what I grab it from GitHub. You can see these lines are added by me. There's a reason for that, because as I said earlier, I wanted to tweak it according to my taste, my consumption policy. It was absolutely fine what in original form. Okay, so the script goes like this. These scripts are all available there on the GitHub as I shown to you. Okay, and probably in my admin script repo. If it is not, let me know so I can put it there for there is a slight modification, nothing else. A few stuff because I'm not entirely using a terminal output which the original script intend to. It's absolutely fine and I like it, but I wanted to see something else. That's why I commented out few lines which I don't think I was looking for. Okay, so this commented line which was done by me intentionally. Okay, so here all the original line I kept, which I think is again it is commented by me, which I don't require it. This one too also, and here is one this is one script which will, as you can say from the name, it basically remove the URLs from this file, where this script will fetch from the headline from Hacker News and put it in this particular file. Okay, then I took away the left angle bracket from it, then I put it into a file in my home directory under this name. Okay, I'll show you this scripts later what it is, a pure sed, nothing fancy about it. Okay, then the original script, it is looking for the timestamp, a certain timestamp. If it is not exceeding it will compare with that. If it is exceeding, then it will show just rudimentary stuff then. Okay, so let go get on to the stuff what I did. This is the best script. This is what I got from GitHub. This is written by Andrew Lee. Now the next three script is, as I shown to you in this file. I have commented out few, added few, okay, and the rest three I'm going to show, those are done by me. Okay, so if I go here and if I go to the first one, this is a declare a simple array. Okay, and this is a skeleton script. This is a skeleton script which will get infused with other detail to other script, which I'll show you. Okay, so it's uh, basically try to enlist the title and headline and present it in with a D menu prompt. Okay, and it is padded with the URL corresponding to the headline. Okay, so once I press enter to that particular headline, the corresponding URL which is embedded in the headline or assigned to that headline get displayed on the browser. This is a skeleton script which will be infused on other script along with other detail. Okay, okay. Next we go to another script. These stuffs are written very ordinary and rudimentary way, and few thing I need to show you more also. This is also a small script which, as the name implies, extract URL by awk. That essentially means in this file there is some awk rules which will extract out the URL from a specified file, which is this is the main file which has got all the headline and the URLs of what the main script fetch from HackerNews. Okay, as I shown to you there, this is going to be stored in this file HN URLs. Okay, then what I did a cat and then show this to through D menu and then try to open it up with the browser of my preference. At this moment I use VIMB browser. Okay, so this is the purpose of these two lines. I hope it is clear. Okay, then we go to the next file. This is again these are all ugly trick which I made makes things the way I wanted to see it. Okay, this could have been done in much better way probably, but this is the way I do. So I'm and it is providing me the result I wanted. Okay, it is just basically uh, doing a command prompt ex prompt inside Vim stuff. It is basically uh, replacing apostrophe inside the title of the Hacker News, because I have realized and noticed that if there is an apostrophe inside the file, like whose or theirs or whatever, it garbled up the actual output file and not produce the result I wanted. So I decided to take it off because I can read it, right, without the apostrophe. What does that mean? So this is the main file. You can see this file has been referenced all the script I have shown to you. Okay, and then I quit once I took away the apostrophe from the headline. Then in the next line there is a awk call, and which sets a variable, basically enlisting or getting fit from the actual file. You can see it here. I'm trying to catenating and putting the stuff in a X. Okay, then I try to print out the entire file and looking for a pattern which is declare. Basically it's a statement to declare a array, as you can seen in the first script I shown to you. And then I print out the value of the variable which is holding the uh, UR but Hacker News title and URL. Okay, then it will it will be it will be and it will be run against this file. Okay, this is the file which holds the stuff. Okay, this entire awk stuff is going to run against this file which I have shown you previously, right? And then it will get stored in this file. Okay, okay, so you see four different files which all of them are stitched together. Okay, and which will produce an output what I want. You got it, right? So um, so there is another file to show you which will ultimately having that the combination of these four files, and which will ultimately output it. So let me show you. The basic file, the combination of the four file is look like this. You saw the awk section, I told you it was looking for this pattern, and it is this entire stuff come from hn show file, script file I shown to you. Okay, so it get padded here, which is having a headline with the URL corresponding to that key value pair. Okay, then it is going to print it out and print it out through dmenu. Okay, this is the final file which will provide me an interface to the Hacker News top 10 headlines. Combine those four scripts I have shown to you. I will give those scripts link in the description, so you can look at it at leisure. Okay, and howling at me for writing so painfully bad bash script or whatever the shell script is. Okay, so let me show you the output. How I have bounded a key to get the stuff. So I bounded it to mod shift and H. See, it's saying churning news from Hacker News, and we have to wait because it takes time to fetch it up from there. It takes time. Have patience. Hang on. Ah, taking considerable amount of time. I don't know why. Oopsie. See, this is the end result. Sorry about that. My internet is pathetically slow. See, the combination of those four scripts resulted in a file which I enlisted like this for consumption, right? So if I can use my arrow keys to go any of this headlines. These are the top 10 headlines of Hacker News. Okay, and if I press enter any of those, go to my browser, and I can see it is getting opened. Okay, so the point is like that. So it's a fine thing which I adapted from here on this particular script, modified it, tweaked it according to my and my consumption, my requirement. Okay, I hope this will help someone uh, to build on something else. Okay, if you want to give credit, give it to Andrew and the contributors who have contributed this particular script for bringing up the stuff at with less pain and easy way. I hope this will be useful. Thanks for watching. Oh, I again failed to show you. Wait a minute. um, I told you I'll show you one more. Here is the script I show you in the very beginning, right? I remove the URL from a file. the 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 name of the file signifies remove URLs, which I have added in the main Hacker News headline page file to take away all this stuff. This is the file. It has got simple said rule, okay, which is getting substituted, right? So this is the one, and another one probably extract URL bioc. This is another one. These two scripts are also embedded in those scripts. It is total 6 script. I shown you 4. These are the 2 also included. There are 6 script which accumulated that result what you saw, the way I extract Hacker News headline and consume it. Okay, so this all will be there in the description section. You can copy it out, or I'll do one thing. I'll post it on GitHub in my account under admin script directory, admin script repo. So you can, and I'll give you the link of that repo on in the description below, so you can fetch it out from there and play with it. Okay, finally, hope this will help. Thanks.